If you are in a relationship with a foreigner, do you feel that other Filipinos might try to take advantage of you? What do you think is the best way to protect yourself and your foreign partner from drama and the evil eye?
I think it's minding your own business, and we live in a world where people will talk. So
If your foreign partner told you from the beginning that he would never help your family financially, would you break up with him? What is your name and age?
MJ po, 18.
How are you tonight, MJ?
I'm doing okay po so far.
Okay. So here's the first question. If you are in a relationship with a foreigner, do you feel that other Filipinos might try to take advantage of you?
And by take advantage po, what do you mean by that?
Like you are in a relationship with a foreigner, right? So do you think Filipinos might try to take advantage of you because you're in a relationship with a foreigner? Like that?
Actually po, I had a relationship with like a half Indian guy, and my relatives was like asking me to give them gifts na he was giving to me. Parang, yeah, they were taking advantage of it po.
What do you think is the best way to protect yourself and your foreign partner from drama and the evil eye?
I think just being low key, or just living, or having a relationship in private muna, not so showy.
If your foreign partner told you from the beginning that he would never help your family financially, would you break up with him or stay?
Of course po, stay, kasi that's not his responsibility. That's not his responsibility. So, um, it's not, it's kung if he's gonna help my family, that's his choice. But that's out of the relationship if he's gonna do that.
How about this one? How about if your family found out that he is not going to help them and then your family asked you to break up with him? Would you do that?
No po, kasi that's not their choice. It's mine. That's my choice. If I'm gonna stay for that, kasi for that sole purpose to stay just to help my family, that's my job. That's not my boyfriend's job po.
In your honest opinion, should you live near your family or far away?
It depends po sa situation. For me as a student po, syempre I depend on my family pa, so I should live near. Siguro if I have work, still depends. That depends on your choice. If you want to be close with them or whatever.
Okay, if you're finally like going to settle down with your probably husband, foreign husband, would you live near your family or far away?
I think po for our privacy, far away.
Far away. Now I'm curious, but because you mentioned earlier that you had a relationship with a half Indian, right? And your family was they tried to ask gifts from you, from him, right? What did you tell them?
I just told them na that's not part of our relationship. It's out of our so they shouldn't do that. Yes, but that's it.
And what did your family said?
They can't really say much since I'm not really trying to listen to whatever they say. I just told them na they shouldn't do that in the first place kasi it's out of the in our relationship.
Anyway, you're so pretty. I love her eyes. You're so beautiful, Be. And she's very cute as well. Okay. Was he your first foreign boyfriend?
Yes po, yes.
Are you single now, Be, or are you in a relationship?
Yes, single po.
How long have you been single?
In like 6 months po.
6 months. You're in college, right?
Yes po.
May we know what's your course?
Business ad po, marketing management.
Ay, Be, excuse me. Be, pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami.
Relationships. Okay lang. What are your names and ages?
Antea, I'm 21. I'm Riz, 22.
22. Friends?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I'm gonna guess, you just had your run, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's the first question. If you are in a relationship with a foreigner, do you feel that other Filipinos might try to take advantage of you?
For me, yeah, because of some people in general, Filipinos, especially girls, are taking advantage of what they have on relationship on the foreigner. Yeah.
Okay. That's the Filipina in a relation. But how about the others? That's the question. Do you think other Filipinos would take advantage of you because you are in a relationship with a foreigner?
Maybe. Yeah.
How about you, Bear?
I agree with her. I think if I were in a relationship with a foreigner, I think they will took advantage of me, or like we have a mindset, like a Filipino mindset, that if you in a relationship with a foreigner and you have a lot of money, or you have a sugar daddy, something like that.
Okay, so Filipinos might also think that you have the money now. So, they can do anything or they can, like that.
Yes.
Now, what do you think is the best way to protect yourself and your foreign partner from drama and the evil eye?
Just don't take it personal when someone is um what do you call that? Yung parang naiinggit sa'yo.
When they are jealous, don't take it personal.
Yes, don't take it personal.
I think just don't take it seriously, or as much as possible don't interact with them.
Okay. If your foreign partner told you from the beginning that he would never help your family financially, would you break up with him or stay?
I think it's 50-50, because if you are a family oriented person, of course you want to finance them or give them money. But if your partner doesn't want it to, it's you both should talk to each other for that reason, or for that situation.
Yeah, I agree to what she said. For me, it depends on you because that's your family also. But your partner is your partner is your family is not is not responsible for your family's needs, but it depends on him on how he provide on your family, but it's 50-50 also.
So, in other words, if he wants to help, then okay. But it's not his responsibility to take care of your family financially.
Because for me, you can find a job to provide them also.
In your honest opinion, should you live near your family or far away?
For me, I should live far away. Of course, you have your own family. If you have your own family, so you should be independent on your needs or your living. That's
Same answer to her. For me, it's I will be live far away with my partner if, when he is foreigner, I will live for far away, and because I don't want to ang tawag dun, yung papakialaman
You don't want your family to mind your business.
with my partner.
Why? Do you think your family will really do that?
No, but in the future, maybe.
Just in case.
Yeah, I don't want that kind of interaction with someone or even with the family.
You want to take care of
My own life. Yeah.
both singles pa or are you in a relationships?
Me, yeah, I
I'm single.
Her, she's complicated. But you're single. How long have you been single, Be?
5 years.
5 years. Okay, how old are you again, Be?
22.
22. Both in college, right?
yes.
May we know what's your courses?
Hospitality management.
Hospitality man.
HM.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ay, sorry. Ma'am, pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. Pwede ka interview? Eh, ka ma'am, gusto mo? Nag-vlog kami. Ano lang, 4 questions lang. Opinion man lang. Self-explanatory. Okay lang.
May I know what's your name and age?
I'm Kay and I'm 22.
How are you tonight, Kay?
I'm okay.
You're so cute, Kay. Are you you're Filipina?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm 1/4 Spanish.
Spanish. Oh, I could tell by your nose. Very beautiful. Okay, so Kay, here's the very first question. If you are in a relationship with a foreigner, do you feel that other Filipinos might try to take advantage of you?
Yeah. It depends on other Filipino families because there are some toxic traditions or I don't know, but I think yes.
Can you give us a couple of things that they might take advantage of, you? Like, can you give us a name or at least two or one?
I think there is a common misconception kasi. Is it okay to use of Tagalog?
Like,
Some Filipinos mindset, they think when there's a fam, the girl or it's usually sa girls, they say that yan, nakaahon sila or nakakuha sila ng afam. And automatic, they will become rich like that.
what do you think is the best way to protect yourself and your foreign partner from drama and the evil eye?
I'm not familiar with the evil eye.
Like people will hope that something bad will happen to you or your partner, something like that.
Me personally, I don't care about what other people may think of me, especially when I'm in a relationship. But rather, I think I just focus on my partner and us together.
Okay. So in other words, you're not gonna mind them.
Yeah.
Okay. If your foreign partner told you from the beginning that he would never help your family financially, would you break up with him or stay?
Stay because for me, it's not his responsibility. If ever we became together, I think I am his only responsibility.
Not your family.
Yes, not my family.
In your honest opinion, should you live near your family or far away?
Mm, as of now,
No, like for example, you're already yes, ready to settle you and your foreign partner. So, would you live near or far away from your family?
I can live far, but I prefer living near my family
May we know why?
because my father used to say to us that I have 3 sisters, so I mean I have 2 sisters, and families should be together, close together because we are parang it's better kapag mas magkakalapit lang kami.
It's better when you're close to each other.
Together, yeah.
Okay. It's okay. Are you single, Bea, or do you have a partner right now?
I am single.
How long have you been single?
For a year.
You are 21?
22.
22. Still in college?
Yes.
What are you studying?
BS Biology in UNC.
UNC. Great school.
Yeah.
Is it okay to interview you for our members, video?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. So, guys, see you later on the members video. May we know what's your name and age?
I'm Louisa and I'm 19 years old.
You have a beautiful name, Louisa.
You po.
You're welcome. Okay, so Louisa, here is the question. Okay. There's a very loud motorcycle. Okay. If you are in a relationship with a foreigner, do you feel that other Filipinos might try to take advantage of you?
I don't think so po. Since having a relationship with a foreigner po, it's not something na parang ay um parang artista ka na. So,
She said that being in a relationship with a foreigner, it doesn't seem like you are an actor or an actress like that. So you don't think that Filipinos are going to take advantage of you?
yes, because it's a relationship. So it's not for the grandeur things of life, like you can post it on Facebook for performance. It's a relationship, so it's between you and me.
Okay, so they're not gonna take advantage of you. Okay, you're not even gonna think like, oh, they're probably gonna think that I'm rich now, like this, like that. They're gonna borrow money. You're not thinking like that, right?
Yeah, no, it's something deep.
What do you think is the best way to protect yourself and your foreign partner from drama and the evil eye?
I think it's minding your own business, and we live in a world where people will talk. So um it's my relationship with you. So it's our life. You have your own life. So go with it.
Okay. If your foreign partner told you from the beginning that he would never help your family financially, would you break up with him or stay?
It depends with the situation. So with my partner there will be deep talks with him. It depends if it's just help for financial problems, but to shoulder the whole financial expenses of my family, I won't demand for it.
So it depends on the situation. Like you're saying that if it's like emergency, yes.
Yes.
Okay, this one. In your honest opinion, should you live near your family or far away?
I can live far away since I'm planning to go abroad for work, since I'm a future teacher. So I'm planning to work abroad, and I can go visit the Philippines naman. So yeah.
You are still studying there, right?
Yes po.
Education. Major in?
English.
English. Oh, so she's just like me. When I was in college too, I took English. What do you call these? What year are you now?
Third year.
Third year. You have a boyfriend?
Yes.
Okay, you do have. Okay, she's a future teacher. Well, anyway, thank you so much, babe. We really appreciate your time and your honesty. Thank you. You're welcome. Hello, everyone. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube or Patreon member. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection